Okay, aloha morning guys. Today we're gonna install a solar powered security light in front of the house.
Alright, some other dude the other day decided to take pictures of our Altima. I don't know why. And he trespassed on our property, so we're gonna install the lights. That's the reason.
So this is our driveway right here where we park our cars, and then the guy was looking at the Nissan. So at first he parked his car over here, or truck, and then he walked around and looking around at this side. As you can see, even though it's in front of our driveway, this area right here, we don't own it. It's a common area by the city, so he can basically stay in this side and walk around. So he's smart, so he stay in this side, not over here. So we have a security camera on top of that in front of the window, and one more over here. So we got it. We got him actually. So we're gonna install the solar powered security light over here and one that side. Okay, we gather all the materials that we need. We got 2x2 PVC pipe or conduit, maybe around 1 inch, I guess. This plywood and paint. Of course, our main material is the SunForce security light solar power. We got this from Costco, about $29.99, I think. It was on sale. So why we got this? We got two. The other one is over there.
Okay guys, we got all the stuff right here. So this is the solar panel that provides all the power for the security lamp, and still lamp itself. These are the motion detectors to detect movement.
This is the motion right there.
Oh, my bad. These are the lights.
So it's adjustable. The sensitivity right here, you can adjust in your preference. And then it has three power right here. So 1, 2, 3, which is good. So you can go left and right, adjust it, and then the one in the middle. So this is a good thing. This is the solar power.
Solar panel, not power.
Oh yeah.
What?
Okay. So this one later on we're gonna paint around so that it's gonna match the house color. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna measure the 2x2 and prepared measurement. 5 inches.
Should I be panning the camera towards you? Just like this.
And so it's gonna be straight. This one is 7 inches.
Dad, you didn't put a bag on the saw. No, saw. There's no bag.
What? It's okay.
Okay.
Kasi we're outside anyway. This is the 2 pieces of wood that we need. We're gonna drill them on the wall, and this one in the back of the lighting.
Alright, we're gonna measure this now, and then we're gonna put this on the light so the light can stay stable.
This right in the back of the light.
5 inches.
Oh, perfect.
I just measured the other light. This works.
5 inches. You sure it's 5 inches?
It's 5 inches. Where's that mark? Oh, there it is.
So we're gonna mark it. Cut. Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're gonna. Alright, guys. Alright, now that our wood is cut, we're gonna see if it fits. I know it's gonna fit. You guys don't. Whoa, guys, that's crazy. It fits. That's crazy. Perfect. It's perfect. Alright, we got our 5 inches of plywood. And we're gonna
3 inches.
I don't know. We're gonna sand this down because there's a bunch of splinters everywhere, and we don't want to get pricked. It also looks ugly.
Hey, it's my first time to use my Makita drill again. It's been a while. Oh look, this still works. My Makita drill still works. So we need drill, and we're gonna put a hole on the 2x2 with this 7/8 right there. Speed drill, bit, whatever. So in that way, we're gonna put this one over here, the PVC pipe. So it's gonna be like this, and like that. So we're gonna cut this one for half, right there. 4 inches, right here. So mark it, and then mark, double check. So measure twice and cut once. Okay, remember that, Marco.
Okay.
You measure twice, cut once. There we go. It's a half inch.
Okay, we're measuring the wood again,
Like this.
so that we can put the PVC pipe in the wood.
So it's gonna be like that. You know what? I'm gonna mark it.
Alright, we're gonna drill into the wood now, using the drill bit.
Slowly first. Alright, perfect. Right there.
We're gonna put the screw into the wood, and then we're gonna put the screw inside the wood into the PVC pipe.
So we pre-drill it, as you can see. Right there. That way it's easier.
Alright, now that we put the screws fastened to the PVC pipe, we're gonna drill 2 holes for this plate here. So we can, this will be attached to the light, and this will be attached here, so that the light can hold. Okay, we're gonna put the screws in now, yay!
We pre-drill the board, the plywood, so it's easier to screw the
Screws.
screws. You put the thing on the side of the
Table.
table.
That's easy.
In that way it's easier,
Because you don't
and you
want
put your power on there.
you don't want it like this.
Yeah, because of the pipe. So it gotta be flattened as possible.
Yeah.
Now you try that.
Oh.
You slide it.
I know. Simple stuff. Oh.
You know what you're doing or what?
Yeah, I'm just, my brain's melting because like I'm thinking of myself selling sticks on Minecraft SMPs.
You're gonna hear a lock right there. See, it's locked.
Whoa, guys, it's holding. Look, I'm holding it by the PVC
Yeah,
pipe.
put the 2x2 this time. You try.
What?
See, like that.
Ho
So,
ho!
like this, we're gonna try over here. Show it to them.
So if we,
Pretend this is a wall. We're gonna drill this 2x2 on the wall,
yeah.
and like this. Okay.
Whoa, guys! You can adjust it if you want.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Here we go. See, perfect the hole over there. So you can adjust the light with it. Whatever your preference, as long as the sensor work and you can see you. So this is the invention of Martinez fan.
What? Okay, yeah, I can agree with that. Yeah, this is our invention. We're gonna patent it, sell it, make millions of dollars, guys. Just kidding.
So we're running out of juice right now, so that's why the thing is not strong. So we got our fully charged battery right here, right there, 4. So this one we're gonna charge it right here. So I mounted the charger on the wall, so it's not gonna move right here. So we're just gonna slide them right there. See, perfect. And then this is where we hang our tool right there. So while waiting that the battery charge, you can wait, you can hang your tools. See, I have this thing over here,
Whoa, wait, is this
screw magnet.
Woo!
See,
It's so cool.
so that you're not gonna lose your screws while you're draining like this.
It's so cool. Whoa. This. That's so cool.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's labeled. Right there. Okay, perfect. Label. Okay, put that one. Yeah.
How did walk inside?
See there?
Oh my god, looks long.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, cannot do it already. Cannot even shake them. Yeah, wait. Can I actually work? Yeah, perfect. And one more.
Alright, we're gonna install it. I don't know why I have these on. Let's see. Has our hard work paid off?
Make sure it's slide perfectly.
Oh,
Oh, I can hear the click.
wow.
Oh, perfect.
Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Let's turn it. Yo! That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yo, we did it.
Now we're gonna paint. And we're gonna install the panels
Okay,
right here.
I want to paint it. Okay, guys, we finished putting the panel on the board. And we're gonna paint it. That's why my dad's putting blue tape on it. So we can paint the panel to look like our house.
Only
Or
we're only gonna paint the frame of the solar panel, not the panel.
Alright, we don't advise you to paint panels. That's just common sense. This is just our preference. You guys.
Okay.
Sorry.
Do not paint it because you're gonna lose the warranty, whatever. But this is our preference to do it. So
And not just the warranty, you can possibly lose the entire panel itself if you paint over it.
you know.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet.
Okay, first coat is done. And then second coat later on if the whole thing is dry.
I'ma stay in power for a long time. get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's
Okay, done painting for first coat. In this one, the wire for the solar panel, we're gonna reroute this side all the way to the light itself. Okay, in order for us to reroute the wires, we're gonna use this nail or hook. It's kinda you're just gonna use a hammer and nail them out right there. I don't know if you guys can see this.
facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, so we're almost done. Dad's just putting on the second coat now. We rerouted the wires to the solar panel because we were having some trouble. And we didn't want to use more time than we needed. Right now Dad's putting on the second coat and we're done. Really, that's it. We spent all day doing this and recording this video. It's crazy.
So we're done painting and installing the security light right there. And the solar panel is done, painted. It's blended to the house paint, so you cannot really tell that there's solar panel in there. So let's go to the other side. So this side is done. So we installed the other security light right here. We never video it though. The solar panel is perfectly tucked in and hidden. I also painted it so that it's perfectly matched with the house color right there.
Okay, we're gonna try the new security light at night.